In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an invoice from a batch payment in Xero. As Xero is a leading accounting software, it often handles numerous financial transactions, including batch payments, but sometimes you need to make changes to these payments. Removing an invoice from a batch payment may seem a bit complex at first, but once we go through the steps together, you'll find it's quite manageable. First, you need to log into your Xero account. Navigate to the Xero login page and enter your email address along with your password. Once you've done that, click the login button. This will take you to your dashboard where all your financial information is at your fingertips. When you're on the dashboard, direct your attention to the menu on the left side of the screen and click on Business. Under Business, you'll see an option labeled Bills to Pay. Click on it to view your outstanding bills. Now look for the specific bill transaction that includes the invoice you want to remove. Select that transaction by clicking on it, which will open up more details about the bill. Once the bill is open, you'll want to locate the Less Payment link and click on it. This action will bring you to a section where you can see details about the payments that have been applied to this bill. In this section, there will be an Options button. Click on it to access the functionalities related to the batch payment. From the options, you need to select Edit Batch. Choosing this will allow you to modify the components of that batch payment. As you enter the edit mode of the batch, you'll notice a display of all the invoices included in this payment. From here, look for the specific invoice you wish to remove. To the right of the invoice's description, you'll see an X icon or a remove payment icon. Click on this icon to remove the invoice from the batch. After you've removed the invoice, it's crucial to save your changes. There should be a save button at the bottom or top of the page. Click on it to ensure all your edits are captured and saved within Xero. By following these steps, you can confidently manage and alter the invoices included in a batch payment on Xero. This skill not only helps in maintaining accurate financial records, but also ensures your batch payments reflect the correct status. If needed, you can always revisit these instructions or reach out to Xero's support for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.